Auzubillahiminash-shaytanir-rajim. Bismillahir-rahmanir-rahim. Dear students of 10th class, yesterday we completed the political science chapter, democracy and diversity. Now today we will learn geography, and our topic is land resources. My dear students, you know that land has too much importance for our life. Without land, we can't think our life, the life of all creatures, the life of universe. We can't think the life of these plants and animals, or we can say the flora and fauna. So, my dear students, land has too much importance for the whole world. Rather, we can say for the whole universe. आमतौर पर हम कहते हैं कि इस कायनात में, इस वसीअ अरीज़ कायनात में 18,000 अनवा व अक़साम के ऑर्गेनिज़म्स पाए जाते हैं। चंद महदूद ऑर्गेनिज़म्स को, क्रिएचर्स को हम जानते हैं, जबकि इस वसीअ अरीज़ कायनात में बेशुमार नबातात व जमादात, बेशुमार क्रिएचर्स हमारी नज़रों से गायब हैं, यानी इन तक हमारी नज़र नहीं पहुंचती है। हम अपने महदूद पैमाने के तहत एक छोटे से हिस्से, ज़मीन के एक हिस्से को देखते हैं। ज़मीन के अंदर क्या कुछ है, ज़मीन के ऊपर क्या कुछ है, समंदरों में क्या कुछ है, पहाड़ों और बयाबानों में क्या कुछ है, ये हमारी नज़रों से ओझल है। उस तक पहुंचने के लिए उम्र दराज की ज़रूरत है, टेक्निक्स की ज़रूरत है, रिसोर्सेज की ज़रूरत है। So far as this land resource is concerned, it is the great resource for which we are directly or indirectly involved, or we can say that we can't sustain, we can't live in this world, in this universe. We can't spend our life without this resource, namely the land. It provides habitation to a wide variety of flora and fauna. As I already told you, that flora and fauna all are related with this land. Flora, the geographical term flora means the plants, and fauna means animals. So all types of flora depend directly or indirectly on the land. Similarly, all types of fauna directly or indirectly depend on this land. So land is the habitat of both flora and fauna. Humans live and perform economic activities such as agriculture, mining, forestry, and other engineering works, the scientific works on this land. Land is also used for the construction of houses, roads, railways, and industries. If land is not available, we can't think of a house, we can't think of a road, a railway, and these industries. Land is an asset for finite magnitude. Therefore, it is necessary to use it with careful planning. Dear students, since this land is a limited resource, it is a finite, it is a this finite asset, it is a finite place, it can't be increased day by day, it is limited. So it is up to we people, it is up to us, it is up to you how we can use this great resource in a proper way so that we will live our life prosperously, and similarly the coming generations, the other creatures, they will also take the advantage, they will also give a chance to live their life happily on this planet, on this land. So, my dear students, the land has an immense importance. Our all requirements, the water, the food products, the clothes, the shelter, everything that we need, we get it from this land. So, dear students, you see the progress, you see the prosperity, you see the industries, you see the roadways, you see the constructions, you see the big buildings on this land. If there is no land, we can say there will be nothing. So it is the great resource which has been provided by Almighty Allah to us. And we are not the people who have to live forever here. We have to manage our lives, we have to manage our things in a proper way. And we see that where are our ancestors, they too were related with this land, and nowadays they are nowhere. Same is the case for us, and we too have to go, we too have to leave this land, we too have to leave this universe, and other generations will come and they have to live their lives, they have to spend their life here on this planet. So, dear students, importance of land is immense. It has a vital importance, and the best people are those who use this resource, who use this land, who use this asset in a proper way, in a generalized manner, in such a way which will help himself, which will help him, as well as which will help others. This is the real way to use this resource, land resource. Dear students, it is a long topic, and it will take some days, and today we discussed the importance of land. This was all about today's lesson. Thank you very much.